Hello, how are you today? My name is Wilson Tan. I'm a KPI consultant for SME. Today, I'm going to talk about a topic faced by a lot of companies. There are always a lot of conflicts between all the HOD. You can use the KPI to manage the conflicts among the HODs. This is one of the conflicts faced by our customer. You have a sales department who do the sales and take the order from the customer. And once the sales department receives the order, sales department will pass to the warehouse to prepare for the stock. And warehouse will instruct the finance department to pay the supplier. Once your finance department issue the PO, make the payment, your supplier will deliver the material to your warehouse, and your warehouse will pack the product and deliver to customer. And this is where the conflict starts. When your sales department receive the PO from your customer, and your sales department is very excited and asking your warehouse to deliver the product to customer by next week. Possible or not? Warehouse said, no, not possible. I do not have a stock to supply now. How can I deliver the product to your customer by next week? Sales say, I don't care. Stock is not my problem. My KPI is only sales. Stock is your responsibility. So now my customer need to deliver by next week. It's your job to deliver the goods now. It's not my job. I already done my work. I putting a lot of effort to close the deal. Now you talk to the CEO. After the discussion with the CEO, and CEO have decided that, okay, since you promised the customer we have to deliver by next week, warehouse, can you please talk to your supplier and get your supplier to deliver by next week, please. Your warehouse department spoken to the supplier, and supplier said, no problem, I can deliver the goods to you by next week, but it is a double of the cost. Because I need to rush for you, this is something urgent, they need to prepare, and that is a reason why they are charging you double. And your supplier requested for the upfront payment. Then the warehouse talked to the finance department. Finance said, no, I don't have money for you, you never inform me. We have to manage our cash flow. We need to put the budget in place first before even you requested for money. Now this is something new to us. We have not prepared. So where am I going to get the money for you to pay your supplier? It's not fair. How to handle this problem? Of course, the leadership and the communication are very important element here. So in order to build the teamwork culture, one of the way you have to have a shared KPI. You can have a KPI which is the group revenue, shared among all the HOD. All the HOD are responsible for the company sales and delivery. You can set a different weightage for different HOD. For example, sales department, you have a 70% weightage because sales contribute a lot to the company revenue. And the warehouse department, you set 10% weightage. For finance department, maybe you set 20% weightage. This will help you to cultivate the good working culture and teamwork among the HOD. Thank you so much for listening to me. If you like the video, can you please share with your friends and follow our Facebook? We'll share more information for you to manage your employee to help your company to grow to the next level. See you.